Hi everyone, this is Teacher Hazetee, and for this session, we'll be learning about how to sign your PDF using your mobile phone. And we're back with another tech tutorial, and like what I told you earlier, today we'll be signing a PDF using only our mobile phone. So how are we gonna do that? So we'll be needing the help again of Microsoft. We'll be using again yung Microsoft Office mobile app. So ayan, I'm really excited in using this app because there are a lot of features that we can explore. And like what I promised you, we'll be exploring the features one feature at a time. So ngayon, we'll be having sign a PDF. So we're going to add our signature to a PDF file right on our phones. We can browse for PDF documents from our OneDrive and from our device, right there directly on our device. We can choose from the documents, ayan, from downloads, there. But I'm just going to use an existing file that we have here for easy access, no? So I'm clicking the lesson in mathematics. Just wait for the PDF to load. And there you go. So I'm just going to zoom it in. Ayan. So schedule of quarterly exams. So I'm going to sign right here, assuming that we have here our name, our printed name. So ayan. So Microsoft prompts me now to tap where I wish to sign. So may help text naman siya. So I will tap here at this part. Ayan. So I already have an existing signature. So you can just tap that to select or delete to create new. So I'm going to delete so that I can show you how to create your own signature. So I'm just going to transfer my face to this part of the screen. So here's a blank canvas where you can create your signature. So I'm going to sign now. Initials lang para hindi masyadong tasky for us. Now, we can choose yung color, but the available colors that we have right now are just black, green, and blue. So you can click green. Parang wala pa ako nakitang document na green yung pirma. So I'm going to choose blue. Yan, kasi pang mga boss daw yan, yung blue. So hoping na maging boss tayo someday. Anyway, ayan. So you can now choose to store the signature or not. Ayan. So, may toggle naman siya. May switch. You can delete if you're not happy with your signature. You can also click this picture. Ano kaya ibig sabihin nito? Choose your you can choose a signature from your gallery. So, I want to create a signature on my own. Ayan. So, yun. And now, we click the check mark here. Ayan na siya. Ayan na yung pirma natin. Though it looks awkward, pero ayan. So, andyan na yung signature natin. So, that's it. We were able to create our signature and sign a PDF document in just a matter of minutes. And we can just save that. There's also an option to sign into additional places. Ayan. So, nandyan na yung pirma natin. So, we're now here on my file manager and we will check if our signature is really stored on our PDF file, and that PDF file is saved offline. So, check natin tong lesson in mathematics. Open that using a Google PDF viewer. Hoping nandito yung, yes, diba? So, andyan yung pirma natin. So, we were able to sign a PDF while the file is saved offline siya sa phone, but we can always upload, yun nga, yung sending ng files over the cloud by using OneDrive. And with that, I hope that you learned something from this tech vlog that we have for today, and you can use this feature so that you can save time and be more efficient in signing documents and sending them over the cloud once you need them right on your mobile phone. So with that, thank you so much and have a nice day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos on YouTube and click the bell button so that you'll be updated of my future uploads. And with that, thank you so much and bye-bye!